Hello, good morning. It's my pleasure to be back with you in another technology class. I'm feeling great and I hope that you're feeling the same way. Before we begin, I want to congratulate you all because of your effort and commitment in completing your assignments on a regular basis. And thank you, parents, as well for your support. I know we have gone through many changes, but we have been able to adapt. It makes me really excited when I get to see that you complete your assignments in time. Thank you, guys. Now, today, I just find this chocolate brownie cake recipe that I want us to try. This could be a really nice activity for us to try on a Saturday with our family. So right here I share with you the ingredients that you're going to need, but also the steps that you're going to take as well, right? So what we're going to do is to use this recipe to put into practice what we have learned about styling in a Word document. So we have learned so far that we can change the font right here. We have a ton of fonts and we can even download more from Google. Right here we can change the size. Here we can change the color. Right here I can choose if I want my text to be center, aligned to the right or to the left. Also, I can include list, let's say bullet list, or also numbered list in this case. Alright, I just need to select the text that I want and give it a try. What else can I do? We also explore how to insert pictures. Come in here, selecting from our device, and just like that. So what we're going to do today is that we're going to style the ingredients and the steps that we have over here, following the same things, the same tools that we have learned so far. So let's begin with the title. I will click and drag to select my title. I will align it to the middle, and then I will increase right here, increase font size option until I will make it 14, and then I will come to the fonts and I will click on Century Gothic. If you want to try another font, that's fine with me. I will make it bold, but you know what? I'm trying another color. So I will come here and I will select, I like this blue over here. Yeah, it matches with the plate that is serving the cake. Now I don't want my picture to be to the left. I want my picture to be in the middle as well. So I will click the picture and I will click middle alignment as well. So just like that, I just style my title but also my image. I will make the title bigger. Let's say 20. Alright, looking better now. I will keep on scrolling down. Now right here, we have the list of ingredients. So I will place my cursor at the top, 100 grams butter, and I will scroll. Alright, you will click and drag. You can let go of the left click because then you won't be able to copy everything. I selected everything over here. I will come here and I will change also the font to Century Gothic. I will change the size to 12. I want this text to be black. Alright, so far so good. But what's going on? Right here I can see that we have some underline words, but I don't want that. So I will come here to the underline option. I will click one time and I will click once again. As you see, we don't have any underline words so far. Now I want this list to be a bulleted list. So I will come here and I will choose one of this option. I will select the square one. You see? Oh, but what's happened here? I see that some of them didn't get the same font that I applied to the remaining ones. So I will select everything again, making sure that, okay, now everything is running fine, and 12 again. Okay, looking better now. For my second one, or actually let's style the ingredients title right away. I will select ingredients. I will put it in the middle as well. I will increase the size to 14. I will make it bold. And I will try this italic right here. But also I will change the font to Century Gothic. And the color, I will make it to this orange. Okay, title, picture in the middle. Ingredients title in the middle as well. And then I just selected all these options right here, all the ingredients. I clicked on the bulleted list. I changed the font to Century Gothic and then the size to 12. Alright, now for the steps that we're supposed to take into the recipe, let's move everything to the second page by clicking on enter. Alright, we're going to try the same style for this title recipe right here. Middle, I will make it to 12. I will change the font to Century Gothic. I will apply a bold type and italic as well, and the color to orange. Alright, so I will select everything that is remaining. I'm placing my cursor at the top right here. Click and drag until the end. And what I'm going to do is the following. Now that I have selected the text, I will click right here to increase the size, or you may click here and click on 12. Then I will change the font size, actually the font type, to Century Gothic. Okay, looking better. I will make a full justification so they have the same margins at every side. And now, the same way that it happened at the beginning when we have these underlined words, what I'm going to do is that I will click on underline twice, 1 and 2. But now I see that I have some words that are not black, but I will come here and click on black. Alright, looking good. Now, since I'm supposed to follow these steps in a specific order, what I'm going to have now is an order list, or number list as it is known in this case in Word. So I will come here, click on the options, and then I will select this one. Right there you can see that I easily got all my steps listed as it follows. And that will do it, guys. Now going back, recapping what we just did, we're going to style the title. I just selected this color, you may try another one. But select the title, make it to the center, make it bold, and with a size of 20. You're going to click then on the image, the K, right? And just like that, you're going to be able to center it as well. Oh, where did I go? But what you're going to try now is to style the ingredient titles as well. I made it 14 in this case, italics, bold, in an orange color. Select all the text, all the ingredients that you have. Change the size to 12. Change the font style to Century Gothic. And then use the bullets that we have over here, the square one. If we scroll down, I try the same for the recipe. Select everything. You just click right here on number list, and then you style the title as well. I recommend that you take some time to read the steps that we have right here and take a look at your kitchen to see if you have all the ingredients right there so you can try later on. I won't stop to read them all for you now because this might probably make the video a little bit longer, but this is basically what you're trying today. Alright, get to practice what we have learned, get to practice with the colors, get to practice with the bulletin list, and get to practice also changing the styles of the font that we have. If you don't like this font, we have a ton of fonts that you can try, so feel free to try one, okay? But make sure that you are able to read it, because you are able to read it, then I will be able to read it as well. Right, guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this activity. We're pretty close already to our end of the year quiz. That would be next week, I guess. Yes, which is our last meeting. So if you have any questions, just let me know. And this was my pleasure again to be with you once again. So I'll see you next time. Bye bye.